Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This morning we're in Protaras. We're going to have some breakfast in Island Affairs. Ooh, delish. Now, if you're staying in the Melini, that's where you're going to have your breakfast. You've got your breakfast included. So Island Affairs, a little gem actually. There it is across the road. There's the Melini Hotel and Suites. We're going to meet a special viewer. I do believe it's Simon. Hello Simon.
How you doing?
This is Simon. Seen you many times, haven't we?
I thought he was going to forget me now.
I just remembered it is early morning and my brain is working a little bit.
I've had 4 hours sleep, George.
You've had 4 hours sleep.
Yeah.
Why is that then?
Because the plane was late taking off.
So there we are, there's Island Affairs. I go to reception to pay first because it is breakfast and it depends if you're staying there or not. If you're staying there and you've got your breakfast included, you don't have to go to reception. But if you haven't got your breakfast, go to reception, pay for your breakfast, and then come into this enormous restaurant. So let's go around here. Look at this lovely swimming pool. Oh, they've put some blue stuff around the pool this year. It looks nice and bright. So, to reception. Here we are, buffet breakfast, teas, coffees, everything, for just €10 a person. Ooh. And that's a buffet, guys. Now, after our breakfast, we'll have a scoot around the hotel and we'll do a separate video, see what the restaurant's like and see what the hotel's like. We'll go down the slope. Is that a new slope? Oh, I've never noticed that one before. Anyway, we'll come back to that, won't we? There we are. Oh, morning. How are you, all right? That's a lovely staff. They've got really nice staff in here. So, round we go. Island Affairs restaurant. Here we are. So, breakfast is €10. During the day, you can have toasted ham and cheese, $5.95, bacon cheeseburger and chips, $9.50, and they've got loads of stuff, guys. Pork or chicken kebabs, $10.95. So very, very reasonable. I'll go around the buffet. Morning. How are you? Fine, thank you. So we've got professional coffee machines. You can have hot chocolate if you fancy. You can have milk. You can have cappuccino. You can have orange juices. We have got all cold stuff, including some yogurt, nuts. I'm not sure what they are, but they look delish. What are they? Tarts. Tarts. What you got there? Baked beans. They look delish. We've got some tomatoes. Oh, lovely bacon. That looks lovely and soft, doesn't it? And we've got sausages, and they're English sausages. We've got some beautiful Cyprus potatoes. Oh, what are they? Warm croissants. Oh, they look good. Nice and warm. Look at that. And oh, of course we've got eggs. We've got our eggs for breakfast, and we've got some chipolatas. Oh, those eggs look marvellous. Free-range eggs, by the way. And we've got scrambled eggs, if you like it scrambled. We have got some cake. We've got some amazing hams. There we are. Salads, if you fancy a salad. I like salad for my breakfast. We have got some fruit, if you want to pick up some fruit, guys. If you come round here, you've got your cereal. There we are. Just put a penny in here and turn the handle for your cereal. Moving on to the bread department. Oh, what are you making here?
Waffle.
Oh, you're making waffles. Oh, this is good. So what do? You press the button or something?
Yeah, push that forward, fill the cup up.
Fill the cup up with the ingredients.
Yeah.
Then what?
Pour it in.
Right.
Twist it over, and the timer will start. 3 minutes, and it's cooked.
That's brilliant. You just do it yourself.
Yeah,
I love that machine, don't you?
Oh,
That'd be nice in my kitchen. That would be lovely in my kitchen. So just put the ingredients in the cup and pour it in there.
Yeah.
And after a minute, you twist it, do you?
No, twist it straight away.
Okay.
And then it takes 3 minutes.
Right.
And it's done.
But you've got the timer and everything, so it's
Yeah.
really, really easy to do. It's like making toast, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, and we've got
I'll
chocolate, syrup, and orange syrup. There we
butter.
are. Oh, and butter if you want butter. Look at
whichever you
this,
want.
that's brilliant. I'll have to bring my car over. And do you think they notice if the machine goes missing? I'm going to wait until it comes out.
Yeah, it comes out.
We got 16, 15 seconds. It smells delish, doesn't it? It smells absolutely delish. There's a machine lock. So you don't have to worry about the ingredients or anything. It just comes out in the machine. Very, very clever. Beep, beep. Right.
Flip it round.
Turn it around. Wow, look at that. I'll tell you what, you're a master chef. Looks amazing. Right, we have got, what you got there? Sandwich? Oh, you made a sandwich. Simon, what you got?
Some cereal.
Cereal.
George. Yep.
Coffee.
Yep.
Look at this. Good idea on a buffet. Have a pot. A lot easier, isn't it, than filling up a little cup. So have a pot and you're done for your buffet. And just pour that tea. There we are. Oh, look at that. I wouldn't be surprised if that's Tetley tea. Oh, really posh. It's Lipton's tea. Right, let's make a waffle. Okay, so here we are. There's the machine. So I'm going to do this by myself. Push. Get the ingredients in there. Ooh, looks delish. There we are. Now the cup is full up. Pick up the cup and put it in the waffle machine. There we are. Oh, look at this, guys. Ooh, I think the crew's going to be very pleased. We're going to share it. Then close the lid, really, really easy, and twist. There we are. And that's going to cook. And you can see the timer's going off. There we are. It takes just 3 minutes. Waffle baker. There we are. And then we can put chocolate, orange, or butter, or we can put some syrup. There we are. You can have a go? I don't want one. I'm just intrigued. The crew's going to have one. I think it's going to be triple delish. Excuse me. Got a new thing. I've become a waffle maker.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
How much are they paying you, George?
Oh, I haven't discussed that yet.
Is it 30?
No, it's a timer. All you do, you just flip it and leave it, and there's a timer.
Get me a little bit of chocolate.
You want chocolate? Now, do you trust me?
Not really.
It's really easy. You just press the button here, the ingredients goes in the cup, you pour it into there and turn it. Put the lid down, turn it. You don't touch it. Just leave it. That's all you've got to do. You ain't got to turn it again and
How'd you
again
get it
and
out
again.
Down
Sorry?
How'd you get it out?
You just lift up the lid and put it on your plate. It's really easy. Okay, there it is. It's bleeping at me. Help! It's bleeping. Right, pick it up. There it is. Triple delish. Pull it out, and we're going to share it, aren't we?
We are.
There we are. Look at that. Smells delicious. Right, I'll have half. There we are. Ooh, amazingly delicious. What are you having in yours?
Chocolate.
I'm having maple syrup. So you've got chocolate, I've got maple syrup. Delish. It's more satisfying if you make it yourself. A lot more satisfying. Well, Simon, we're ready to finish the video. Oh! One moment. Put it back. Honestly.
Sue and George, can I just say something?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your company as always. You take care of yourselves, and all the best to the subscribers. And I want to say to Grant, all the best, my friend. Speedy recovery.
There we are, guys.
Take care.
Delish food, island affairs. We'll be doing a video on the hotel in a while. Look out for that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.